Dwi siarad I athrawon neu ffrindiau neu teulu achos mae nhw'n helpu.
I would tell a teacher or my friends or my family because they could help.
I think I would go up to the bully and say, why are you doing it? And they would probably say the reason why they're doing it. So then I would probably say, why don't you go and say sorry to people who've bullied and say, sorry about that, I've had a rough time because I've been bullied, or whatever the reason why they are a bully.
I would mainly comfort the person that's being bullied because, well, they're getting bullied, aren't they? And then ask the bully why I'm doing like that. They obviously know they're bullying someone and they think it's okay, but it's not okay because, like, it will hurt their feelings inside and it's not a good thing to be doing.